guys, welcome to my channel Nova's Mind Zone. Today we are going to talk about cargo liner for Audi 2018 Q5 till current models. When I was looking for cargo liner for my newly bought Audi Q5, I didn't want to spend a lot of money and buy the authentic one from Audi, which is the best option for sure. There will be people who have like raving reviews about it, but I was looking for something that is little in my budget. I didn't want to spend too much because this is something that will protect my cargo. Because underneath you just see the fabric, which tends to get really dirty and messy. So when I was looking for cargo liners, I looked around, researched, found that there were very cheap ones like $30-40, and the one that I got was around $80 that you can see in the pictures. I found this to be best buck for money. After reading the reviews and doing some more research on my own, I found that I will be going ahead with this Max Liner cargo liner for my Audi Q5. I ordered it online through Amazon, and as you know, Amazon had that shipped to me next day. It was at my door. As you can see, it was little bigger than my door, and the package was really good. It usually, I mean, it comes in rolled up in this package. It arrived at my door. So let's see what all comes in the box. So this is like the first document and some more instructions how to use it, do not fold it, all those things about safety instructions. Let's see how it looks inside the car. Let me do a little unboxing of this thing. It said heavy, it wasn't that heavy though. So I just took it out from this box, and this is how it looks after you just take it off. And I just wanted to see if it fits. So as you can see, I don't have any cargo liner currently in my Audi. Uh, it looks good, but I wanted to protect this fabric. It seems to be fitting nicely. The main thing I was worried about is whether it will fit in the corners. And as you can see, it fits perfectly. And in this corner and that corner, I wanted it to be a snug fitting. As you can see, it is really snug. It is made for this model with precision measurements. That is what I wanted, and it looks good. I'm happy with this purchase. Thank you. If you like this content and if you want more information about this cargo liner, let me know in the comments. I will be posting few more videos about few more things that I've bought for my new Audi Q5, and will be posting that. Let me know if you find anything really interesting or really good that you thought that it is really made for your Audi Q5. I would really be happy to buy that, and mostly I'd like to save money and buy some budget stuff. So I think this will be useful for you if you're looking to buy something on budget for saving your cargo space. Thank you so much. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click that like button. Thank you.